ultimate race. Here sa Dalang Clubs Leisure Park na Cavite. Anytime now, race number 7. And the race is on. LGBL Bimbo Apo. Papato racing on the outside. LGB the leader, followed by Apo. Papato El Bimbo is racing in third, running in fourth. Deadly Storm moving up by the rails. Domec Renzi stay influential is the early trailer. Back to the leader, LGV by about 2 lengths. Apo Papato is running in second. 3 lengths, corner back in third is El Bimbo. Deadly Storms racing in fourth by another 2 lengths. And rounding the far turn, LGV still hanging to that 2 lengths lead. Then here comes Apo Papato in second. El Bimbo remains in third by about 8 lengths. Deadly Storm and Influential Renzi stay, while Domec is now running at the tail of the field, last 200. LGB Apo Papato is on the outside. LGB Apo Papato on the outside. It's still LGB Apo Papato and moving up by the rails. El Bimbo and nearing the finish line. El Bimbo snatching the win over LGB. Then comes entry number 7, Apo Papato.